Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are doing a Glamsgiving makeup look. Stay tuned. I'm gonna start off by prepping my eye with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. Now I'm gonna add MAC Single Shadow and Nylon to my brow bone. Today I'm gonna be using my Morphe 35O palette along with my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna start off by picking up Creamsicle with my Morphe M513. I always start with small amounts, apply them in the crease, and then blend them up. Now I'm going to be picking up this orange shade with my Morphe M506. With this shade, I'm staying closer to the crease, but I am going to do a few layers since I want the orange to stand out a lot. Now I'm going to be taking this brown with my Morphe M507. And I'm being very careful to keep that very close to the crease. I'm also adding that dark brown color to the inner and outer lid. Now I'm going to be cutting out the halo with my Maybelline Master Concealer. For this step, I'm using my Morphe M17 brush. Now I'm picking up Queen and adding it to the lid. Now with the Morphe M507, I'm going to be picking up a tiny bit of Soda Pop. And I'm adding that to the inner and outer lid. I'm picking up Creamsicle again with a small brush. And I'm just going to smoke out the lower lash line. Now with the same brush, I'm picking up the orange again. And lastly, we're picking up Soda Pop with the same brush. Remember that with each color that we go into, we are staying closer to the lash line. I'm adding a little bit of glitter to the crease, and this is the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter in Midnight Cowboy. Now I'm adding some of the MAC Single Shadow and Nylon. I'm actually in a fucking rush today, so I'm gonna go do my face off camera and I'll be right back. I'm gonna start off by curling my lashes with my MAC Eyelash Curler. I'm adding some of the Wet n Wild pencil liner in Baby's Got Black. Finally, before the lashes, I'm gonna be adding a little bit of mascara to the lower lashes. The lashes I'm going to be using today, my friend actually gave them to me, so I'm not sure what they're called, but she says she got them on eBay and they're actually only like a little over $1, I believe. Alright guys, so these are the lashes I'm going to be applying. I hope you guys can see. But yeah, so anyways, they're bomb as fuck and cheap as fuck. That wraps up today's video. I really hope you guys enjoy my videos and I hope you find them helpful. I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.